My husband suggested that I use this as a projector screen, and I didn't even think about that, but it's genius. Class is in session. My name is Mama Vans, and today we're going to be looking at this whiteboard. In this video, I'm going to show you what's in the box, assemble it for you, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Inside the box, you're going to have 12 magnets, 6 dry erase markers, 1 magnetic eraser, 1 booklet of paper that's very large, and 1 double-sided whiteboard. Assembly is very straightforward. The instructions are very clear. They provide all of the tools that you need to assemble this, but I did need an extra set of hands to put the whiteboard on. My favorite features about this whiteboard are the fact that it has an adjustable height. There is a handle that works on both sides of this to raise and lower the height. It is double-sided, so you can flip it and use one side as a projector or one side as the whiteboard. You just have to loosen the levers on either side, and then you can just tip it backwards. It's very easy to erase. It has a large tray that holds all of your markers and your eraser if you don't want it on the board, but the eraser is magnetic, so you can just leave it on the board if you wanted to. But the fact that it doubles as a projector screen is really, really cool. It has 4 360-degree casters that can lock into place. All 4 of them have locks. If you are looking for a whiteboard that has all the bells and whistles, I would highly recommend this one. The baby chicks are getting bigger, but they seem to be getting kind of bored in their brooder, so I'm actually using the whiteboard to project a video that they can watch. If you look into the cage, you can see that they're pretty interested in what's playing on the screen. They haven't seen grass yet, so they don't know what to make of it.